Good morning, guys. We're going to have calendar time still. And yesterday I wasn't able to do it, but I'm going to be doing it every day. And soon I'll get a calendar. Right now I'm having to write it on my paper. But I ordered a calendar and I'll have it in soon. But first, today is Tuesday, April the 7th, 2020. Now I want you to remember what that looks like. Remember how I wrote the month first, and then our day, and then our year. And what I want you to do is I want you to talk to somebody in your house about what the weather looks like today. So I want you to go outside or look out a window, and I want you to explain to them what our weather looks like today. And then I want you to tell me over Google Classroom. All right, let's go ahead and get started on our math lesson. So we are going to do some adding today. And what I'm going to use is some cubes. And it's better to use something like an object when you're doing math or when you're adding stuff, because it makes it easier for you to understand how many's all together. Now I'm going to show you. I'm going to flip this around. I'm going to show you my cubes. I have different colors. I have red and I have blue. And something that you can use at home is maybe some cereal or some crackers, or if you guys have blocks at home, then that would be something good to use too. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me take these back. Okay, and we're going to be doing, we're going to be adding, so we're going to have our plus sign right here. And when we get done, this is our equal, so it has our answer on this side. Okay. So I'm going to put 3 blue blocks right here. So 1, 2, and 3. So if I have 3 plus 2 red blocks right here, I want you to tell somebody in your house what that equals. 3 plus 2 equals, and then what's the answer? I'll give you just a few seconds. All right, let's start. So 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to count on until we don't have anything else to count. So we have 3 right here. So count on. 4, 5. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. Good job. And another way that we can say this is 3 and 2. That's supposed to be make. Oops. Make 5. 3 and 2 make 5. All right, let's switch it up a little bit. Let's add 1 to the blue. If we add 1 more to the blue, that makes the 3 into 4. And let's add 2 to the red. So now let's see how many that makes. And I'm going to give you a few seconds to maybe talk to mom or dad or grandma, grandpa, maybe brother or sister about the answer. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 blue, and 1, 2, 3, 4 red make how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what's the answer? So we have 4 and 4 equals 8. Good job, guys. Let's go ahead and let's take away some and see what that gives us. Let's take away 3 red. All right, now 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have the same amount. 4 blue, and remember to count on. So 4, and then what comes after 4? 5. So 4 and 1 equals, and then your answer will be 5. All right, let's take away the blocks and do a different way to figure out how we can get our answer. Let's put our blocks in here. I'm gonna get my whiteboard out, and if you guys do not have a whiteboard, you can use a piece of paper. Use a pencil and a piece of paper, or get 2 crayons out, 2 different color crayons, and use that. Right now I just have 1 color. Let's do 5 cats, but I'm not going to draw cats. I think I might draw circles because it's easier and it doesn't take that much time, but just you're going to have to pretend that they're cats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cats. And let's do 4 birds. And I'm going to do X's for my birds. 1, 2, 3, 4. And to get my answer, I have to count these all together. So I'm going to go back and remember, class, what I taught you. Whenever you count, try to cross them out. It makes it easier so you don't lose track of what you counted. So let's count them all together and see how many animals we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many do we have all together? Right, we have 9 animals all together. Let's do one more. I don't have an eraser, so I'm just using my hand. Let's do candy this time. Say I have 2 chocolate bars. I'm gonna draw squares. 1, 2. 2 chocolate bars. And let's do 3. No, let's do 5. 5 pieces of gum. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, what do we need to do next? Right, we need to count them all together. So when we count them all together, make sure you cross them out so you remember that you don't need to count that one again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So how many pieces of candy do we have? Chocolate bars and pieces of candy put together, how many do we have? We have 7. Good job, guys.